The all-new Ubuntu 24.04 LTS is almost here, and in today's video, we're gonna take a look and compare it with Ubuntu 22.04 LTS and find out what's new in 24.04 LTS. Let's get started. The first thing you will notice while installing the new Ubuntu 24.04 LTS is the brand new installer. This installer is written in Flutter, offers a modern installation experience. It's the same installer compared to 22.04 LTS, but comes with a reimagined user interface that looks elegant and refreshing. The good thing about this installer is that it allows you to navigate around the Ubuntu desktop while installing the OS in the background, which is quite cool. The core component of Ubuntu is the GNOME desktop. Ubuntu 24.04 LTS comes with the latest GNOME 46 desktop, whereas 22.04 LTS featured with GNOME 42. It's been almost 2 years now, and GNOME has undergone significant changes, bringing a ton of new features compared to Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. GNOME 46 is no less compared to macOS and Windows 11. In terms of looks, it offers a modern user experience and comes with a new quick settings panel resembling the Android control center. It offers various system toggles such as the ability to turn on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, nightlight, and more. You also get the toggle button to quickly switch to dark mode, along with various system controls such as a power button and a shortcut to open settings. Moreover, most of the built-in applications are updated to GTK4 and looks gorgeous. For example, the file manager has received many under-the-hood changes, and the settings application is completely revamped and easy to use. So Ubuntu 24.04 with GNOME 46 offers a modern and refreshed experience compared to previous LTS releases. With Ubuntu 22.04, you had the option to tweak the dock behavior and accent colors from apparent settings. With the new Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, you get a separate Ubuntu desktop settings menu, which also includes newer options to enhance your Windows styling experience. Ubuntu software has been renamed as App Center in 24.04 LTS. This is a new app store that is completely written using the Flutter framework. The user interface looks more modern than Ubuntu software in 22.04 and provides an easy way to install any application. Now, all the applications are organized based on votes to help you find useful applications, and the Snap Store provides backend functionalities to download the software. Linux kernel 6.8 will ship with Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. The new kernel brings better support for CPUs and GPUs, superior power management for laptop batteries, and more implements such as advanced networking buffers for better caching efficiency and a driver fix for the Steam controller. Now, both the Ubuntu editions are LTS versions, and you can use any of them for a couple of years. Ubuntu 22.04 LTS will be supported with maintenance updates for 5 years until 2027, and if you opt for an Ubuntu Pro subscription, you can extend the software updates for 5 more years. With the new Ubuntu 24.04, opting for the free Ubuntu subscription provides us software updates for 12 years. So 12 years of software updates is the long support period for a Linux distribution ever. And lastly, these are the other changes you will notice in the new Ubuntu LTS release. No games will be included in the install by default. In other words, all the default games such as Sudoku and Mines will no longer be available. So is it worth of upgrading to 24.04 LTS from previous LTS releases? Well, the answer is why not? This new update brings a plethora of changes that indeed make Ubuntu look more modern and beautiful. Also, compared to 22.04, 24.04 includes several performance improvements, including the latest kernel and GNOME updates, which contribute to a faster and more efficient experience. You should notice a huge improvements in terms of speed, responsiveness, and hardware resource management. So overall, I would say Ubuntu 24.04 LTS is a huge update and it's worth of upgrading. And don't worry about the XE vulnerability. By the time 24.04 LTS is available for the public, Canonical will fix the issue and we are good to go. And that's pretty much it. What do you guys think about the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS? Do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. This has been KSK Ryle. I will see you in the next one.